If you're a mixed media artist, slow stitcher, fabric collage artist, or journal maker who loves rich textures and earthy palettes, here's a look at what's coming next week. Every Tuesday, I release a new fabric bundle, and each Thursday, I share a sneak peek so you can get first look and plan ahead. Here's a close-up of a few of the fabric cuts included in next week's play bundle. I'll reveal an indigo silk, textured linen blend, woven chenille, and more. Join my VIP email list for free shipping plus $5 off your first order, early access, and private sales not offered to the public. Thanks for watching this sneak peek. Subscribe, and I'll see you Tuesday for the full release.